Cryptocurrencies are truly decentralized. Why do the American stock market and DXY affect crypto? Don't forget to watch the video and subscribe to the channel for all this and more. Hello friends, welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. Today I will explain the impact of the American dollar index and American stock markets on the crypto market and how to interpret this influence. Everyone talks about DXY, which stands for the American dollar index. Throughout the video, I will refer to it as DXY. In fact, DXY is an index that is often overlooked during bull markets for cryptocurrency traders. However, as we enter a bear market, where less money is flowing into the market, cryptocurrencies have become more sensitive to even the smallest news. So let's take a closer look at what DXY actually is. DXY represents the value of the American dollar against various foreign currencies. The higher this index is, the greater demand for the dollar. The higher demand for the dollar, the lower the interest in cryptocurrencies and other risky investment assets. The conclusion we can draw from this is that Bitcoin and DXY follow opposite trends. This is because when confidence in the American dollar increases, people start investing their money in dollars, expecting to earn more guaranteed income through interest. Naturally, this leads to a drop in Bitcoin. Therefore, it's important for us to keep an eye on the American dollar index. While solely relying on this index for trading decisions would be unwise, it's beneficial to track it since cryptocurrencies often move in the opposite direction. DXY shows us the strength of the American dollar against different currencies, and its increase leads to the decline of various currencies or risky assets like Bitcoin. Currently, when we look at its calculations, it's mostly influenced by the Euro index with a maximum of 57.6, as well as pairs like the Japanese yen, British pound, Canadian dollar, and Swedish krone. But we don't need to go into the details of the formula, as we can easily see access its chart, guys. Now let's talk about some significant events in different years related to DXY. In 1973, the American dollar moved away from being tied to a gold standard and started being printed independently. In 1978, the Fed raised interest rates by 20% to combat inflation. Currently, interest rates are around 4%, guys. In 1987, we see DXY reaching a record high of 163.83. However, as we can see in the chart, it couldn't reach those levels again. In 1987 was one of the years when DXY hit its lowest point, known for the Black Monday event, where stock market crashed unexpectedly, causing significant damage to the stock market, which also affected the American stock market. In 1991, the United States initiated the Gulf War, but it came at a high cost. When in 2003, the United States invaded Iraq, leading to another decline as confidence in the dollar decreased. Another significant year is 2008, when the real estate crisis began, causing the American dollar along with many stocks to plummet. During this crisis, the DXY dropped to around 71. At today's event, we are encountering different situations. These include Russia's invasion of Ukraine and the emergence of the new Omicron variant. Additionally, the Federal Reserve is continuing to raise interest rates to combat inflation, which is currently having a positive effect on the American dollar. The rise in the dollar index affects all currencies globally, which increase prompts governments to take extra measures and implement new financial goals and strategies. To address another point, despite cryptocurrencies being decentralized, they are now starting to be influenced by American stock markets. So that means we used to pay little attention to American stock markets, but now I recommend monitoring all American stock markets, including Nasdaq, S&P 500, Dow Jones, and others. Daily opening and closing have an impact on the crypto markets. Positive opening creates a positive effect, while negative opening can create selling pressure. If you like the more detailed information about American stock markets or have any other questions, please leave them in comments. And don't forget to like the video, guys, and subscribe to stay informed about current news. See you in the next video.